In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on expert option for beginners. Now, the first thing you want to do after you actually sign into your account, over here you'll be able to select which account you actually want to be using to start trading on expert option. Now, you can do this up here, as you can see in the top middle. You can click on it and you can switch between your real account and then your demo account as well, okay? So whenever you choose an account, I choose my demo account over here, you can then go ahead and select what you'd actually like to trade. So you could go to stocks or trading over here. You can see a bunch of different things you can trade. I'm going to go to stocks over here, for example, and I'm going to click on Amazon for this tutorial, press confirm. There we go. And then here you can see your chart. Now, to actually trade on expert option, if you're a beginner, it's actually very simple. You have to go to trade, top left over here, and then down here at the bottom is where you can actually place your orders, okay? So you can go ahead and see here, I can go ahead and select the amount of lots I would like to purchase. So you can just click on here and of course select it. There we go, like this, for example, or you could just like remove it, stuff like that. And eventually, when you click this check mark, you'll be able to see the place order button. Here to the right, you can see the investment you're making, and then you can just click on the place order button. And then here, of course, you can select your take profits and stop losses as well if you want to by clicking edit over here. I'm not going to do this right now. And whenever everything looks cool and you actually want to place that order, you can click on confirm over here. And it's going to basically initiate your trade. As you can see here, there it says you've opened your first deal with us, and then you can see your deal, which is basically an open trade, over here on the right hand side, okay? Now, you can see it here, and then it says it's open right now. You can click on it and close the position whenever you're ready to close it. Click on close position again, and that's pretty much how you actually close your position, okay? So that's pretty much how this works. Now, of course, you can be trading anything else, like if you go to, for example, Euro USD, and I confirm this, you'll be able to, of course, sell and buy, which is a bit different than placing an order. So you can go ahead and select your investment you're trying to make over here. This is going to be in USD over here, as you can see, and then you can buy or sell just by clicking these two buttons over here, and it's going to go inside your deals here, where you can then close the position whenever you want, or of course, you can select the auto close. So here by default it's half a minute, but you can go up to 4 minutes by clicking over here, or of course make it custom as well, okay? So that's pretty much how to trade on expert option. It's very easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.